is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right.
Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa, founder and senior partner at the law firm of Figueroa and Associates. Mr. Figueroa opened his private practice in downtown Brooklyn in 1996. He specializes in personal injury, immigration, matrimonial law, bankruptcy, and wills and estate planning, with a strong emphasis on litigation matters. As the Lawyer features Brian's legal advice as he answers the listeners' questions and shares his insights in achieving your goals and objectives. Every week, As the Lawyer also features interviews and guests related to Mr. Figueroa's interests outside the law. Guests and topics include health and wellness, the civil rights war, music production, writers, as well as international and local political and religious leaders. Wide-ranging, fun, informative radio. That's Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa. Ask the Lawyer any question you like via email at bfigeroux@msn.com. That is bfigueroa@msn.com for legal advice regarding specific situations. Appointments at the office will be made when you call 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Please note that submitting questions do not create an attorney-client relationship.
This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we've got the answers. Whatever your legal issue or concern, call us right now for a free, no obligation legal consultation. The number to call, the number to share, and the number to keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or you can visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. And one of those issues that you can call us on is the Biden's Citizenship Act of 2021. And here to discuss it is Miss Liddy Gulamo of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates.
Biden's Citizenship Act of 2021. President Joe Biden unveiled immigration legislation that includes an 8-year pathway to citizenship for 11 million immigrants living in the United States without legal status. The U.S. Citizenship Act of 2021 will address 3 areas. First, the pathway to citizenship for many immigrants that do not have a legal status, border security technology, and root causes of immigration. The bill includes an 8-year pathway to citizenship for many immigrants living in the United States without legal status, and that they were physically present in the United States as of January of 2021. This 8-year pathway has 2 phases. The first phase would grant temporary legal status with the option to apply for permanent residency after 5 years. The second phase would allow green card holders to pass additional background checks and demonstrate knowledge of English and U.S. civics to apply and become citizens. The requirement for this act would be pass additional and national security background checks, that the immigrants had paid their taxes, are current on their taxes, and they have resided in the U.S. before January of 2021. This later category can be waived. The Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security may waive the presence requirement for those deported on or after January 20, 2017, who were physically present for at least 3 years prior to removal for family unity and other humanitarian purposes. In order to be eligible, the person in the United States residing before January 2021 would have to have no legal status, while living here. That means if you're a visa holder at the time that this is passed, you're not going to qualify. DACA, TPS holder, and immigrant farmers would see a quicker process in the pathway to citizenship, as they could qualify for the green cards immediately. They would later apply to become citizens if they meet the further requirements of knowledge of English and U.S. civics, and they can pass the test.
Thank you, Ms. Gulamo. Remember, do not let anyone take advantage of you, and be careful of the advice you receive. At this time, there is no new law yet, and it is not possible to file an application under the proposed immigration reform bill right now. Always seek advice from a qualified attorney, such as the law firm of Figaro & Associates. Mr. Figaro is a member of AILA, the American Immigration Lawyers Association, and he has over 2 decades practicing immigration law. Be careful of notarios or notaries. They are not attorneys and are not qualified or authorized to give immigration advice. Following the advice of an unqualified individual may not only result in losing money, but it may also impact your ability to qualify for an immigration benefits in the future. Put simply, the wrong advice can hurt you. Remember Arleigh Louison? He is dead, but his victims are still suffering and are facing deportation. This is your opportunity for a consultation. Call us right now, 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or you can visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.